Welcome to our video on phasors. Before starting this video, install the electrical and electronics engineering Android app from the link in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. In this video, we will see an example on phasors. So here we have to simplify the following solution. First of all, we will convert this into standard form. So here this is given in sinusoid form or sine form. So we have to convert this into cosine form. So let's go to the basics first. Here we will draw the graph. This is plus cos omega t. This is plus sine omega t. This is minus cos omega t and this is minus sine omega t. Now we have to convert from sine to cosine in this direction, and here the direction is negative and the angle difference is 90 degree here. That means cos omega t minus 90 degree, cos omega t minus 90 degree is equal to sine omega t. So here we can replace this sine by cos, this t as it is, and since we change from sine to cos, so we have to add minus 90 degree to it. So minus 90 degree plus this is as it is 4 cos t plus 50 degree. Now here this is in standard form now. So this can be converted into phasor form. So it will be 8 at an angle minus 90 degree plus 4 at an angle 50 degree. Now we can convert, since we have to add this and we know that addition and subtraction are better performed in rectangular form. So we will convert this polar form to rectangular form. So this will be 8 in bracket cos minus 90 degree, 8 cos minus 90 degree, then plus j sine minus 90 degree, bracket close, then plus, for this it will be 4 in bracket cos 50 degree plus j sine 50 degree, bracket close. It is equal to, we can solve this in calculator directly. So 8 in bracket cos minus 90 plus I into sine minus 90, bracket close, then plus 4 in bracket cos 50 plus I into sine 50, bracket close. So it is equal to 2.57 minus 4.93 j. So now this is in rectangular form. Again we can convert this into its equivalent polar form. So the formula will be under root of 2.57 square plus minus 4.93 square at an angle tan inverse of minus 4.93 divided by 2.57. So this is the formula to convert from rectangular form to polar form. Now this will be under root of 2.57 square plus in bracket minus 4.93 bracket complete square. So it is 5.55 at an angle tan inverse of minus 4.93 divided by 2.57 minus 4.93 divided by 2.57. So it is minus 62 minus 62.46 degree. So now this is in polar form. Now we can convert this into its equivalent sinusoid. So it will be 5.55 cos omega t. The value of omega here we can see the value of omega is 1. So 1t, here also it is 1t. So both omega are same. So it will be only 1t. So 5.55 cos omega t plus, here the phi value is minus, so minus 62.46 degree. So therefore this is the value of g of t. G of t is equal to this value. So this is how we can add sinusoids. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.